Olivia Enlightened English School. Yes, you heard it correct. We are talking about a unique initiative that's creating buzz in the school. No Bag Day for children. In Olivia, No Bag Day is more than just a fun break from carrying heavy school bags. It represents a broader movement towards improving the educational experience for children, fostering creativity and the overall development of a child. Today, we will explore what this day means and why it's significant. Why No Bag Day in Olivia? Traditionally, school has been associated with textbooks, assignments, and a familiar weight of a school bag. But have you ever wondered what happens when the school bag is kept at home for a day? In Olivia, No Bag Day is designed to allow children to engage in learning differently, free from the constraint of the traditional materials. Our children step into the classroom free from their loads, and instead of formal lessons, they are encouraged to participate in the activities that stimulates their creativity, social skill, and problem-solving ability. Without books, yes, in Olivia, we give our children the chance to engage in hands-on learning, whether it's through art, craft, or field activities. We in Olivia believe that the education is not just within the pages of the textbook, but it's all around them. What can be more eco-friendly activity than bringing the forest inside the school itself, where children are taught to conserve environment? Not just hands-on, but on this No Bag Day, children's mental well-being is also taken care of. On this No Bag Day, it becomes a breath of fresh air for children who are stressed by academics. So it offers a break from the normal routine and provides them a focus on relaxation, mindfulness, and fun. Watching a magic show, isn't it amazing? You come to school and you get to watch a magic. But let me tell you, there is more than just a watch. Children pay close attention to tricks which help them to develop their concentration and observational skills. No Bag Day has brought one more amazing activity for children, that is movie time, offering visual storytelling that fosters children's imagination and broadens their perspective. No Bag Day is not just leaving behind bags for a day. It is a symbol of how education can evolve to become more child-friendly, inclusive, and holistic. It reminds us that this world is a classroom and every experience is an opportunity to learn. As we continue to grow, No Bag Day has discovered new ideas and inspired our children to learn beyond the traditional curriculum. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.